Want to save your engine from a massive repair bill? There's a tiny part under your bonnet, costing less than a tenner, that could be your engine's best friend. It's not a gimmick. It's the positive crankcase ventilation valve, or PCV valve. This small, often overlooked part manages pressure inside your engine, preventing oil leaks and catastrophic failures. Most drivers never think about it, but replacing it is one of the cheapest, smartest bits of maintenance you can do. You don't need to be a mechanic. Just 5 minutes, a simple tool, and a new valve. Let's dive in and see how this little hero can save your engine. So, what exactly is a PCV valve? It's a one-way valve that lets harmful gases escape from your engine's crankcase and sends them back into the intake to be safely burned. Without it, pressure builds up inside your engine, pushing oil past seals and creating leaks. Think of it as a pressure relief valve. Without it, your engine's gaskets and seals are at risk. The PCV valve keeps your oil cleaner, prevents sludge, and protects your engine from expensive damage. It's a simple, brilliant bit of engineering that works every second your engine runs. Ignore it, and you risk major repairs. Respect it, and your engine will thank you. Over time, the PCV valve gets clogged with oil vapor and carbon, turning into sticky sludge. If it gets stuck closed, pressure builds up, blowing out gaskets and causing oil leaks. If it's stuck open, it creates a vacuum leak. Your engine runs rough, idles poorly, and burns more oil. Either way, a bad PCV valve means trouble leaks, rough running, and even a check engine light. It's a tiny part, but when it fails, the consequences are big. That's why checking and replacing it is so important. Don't let this silent failure sneak up on you. How do you know your PCV valve is failing? Watch for oil leaks, especially around the valve cover. Pull the dipstick with the engine running. If you see smoke or feel a puff of air, that's crankcase pressure. A stuck open valve? You'll notice rough, idle, hissing sounds and maybe a check engine light with lean codes. Increased oil consumption or blue smoke from the exhaust are also warning signs. If you're topping up oil more often, suspect the PCV valve. These symptoms are your car's way of crying for help. Catch them early, and you'll save yourself a fortune. Don't ignore the signs. Act fast. Suspect your PCV valve? Here's how to check it in minutes. Find it on your valve cover or connected by a hose. Search your car model online if you're unsure. With the engine off, disconnect the hose and remove the valve. Shake it. If you hear a rattle, it's probably good. No rattle or a dull sound? Time to replace. Take the old valve to the parts shop for a match. A new one costs about 10 quid. Replace the rubber grommet and hose if they're brittle. Install the new valve, reconnect the hose, and you're done. The whole job takes 10-15 minutes, even for beginners. It's one of the easiest, most effective repairs you can do. Don't underestimate this tiny part. A failed PCV valve can lead to 4-figure repair bills. For the price of a takeaway and a few minutes of your time, you can prevent blown seals, oil leaks, and even engine failure. A fresh PCV valve can smooth out your idle, improve fuel economy, and keep your engine oil cleaner. It's cheap insurance for your car's future. So here's your call to action. Check your PCV valve today. If it's old, or you're unsure when it was last changed, just replace it. Don't wait for warning lights or oil leaks. Do it now. Your engine and your wallet will thank you.